unlocking the simplicity and beauty of Listen to the Birds. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and simple English phrase that's packed with meaning. Listen to the birds. Whether you're an English language learner or just someone who appreciates the nuances of language, this phrase offers a lot to uncover. Let's explore it together and understand not just its literal meaning, but also the deeper implications it may carry. At its core, Listen to the Birds is a straightforward command or suggestion, urging someone to pay attention to the sounds made by birds. This involves being quiet, focusing on the present moment, and enjoying the natural music that birds create. It's a reminder to slow down and connect with the natural world around us. Beyond the literal instruction, Listen to the Birds can also have a symbolic or metaphorical meaning. It often signifies the importance of listening to nature and finding peace in its simple pleasures. This phrase can remind us to appreciate the beauty and tranquility that often goes unnoticed in our busy lives. It's about tuning into the smaller details and finding joy in the world's natural rhythms. In different cultures, birds and their songs have various meanings, from symbolizing freedom to representing the arrival of spring. In literature and poetry, the act of listening to birds can symbolize a connection to nature, a moment of enlightenment, or a sense of hope. When used in conversation or writing, this phrase can evoke feelings of serenity, inspire a connection to the environment, or even serve as a gentle reminder to live more mindfully. For English language learners, Listen to the Birds is a great example of how simple phrases can be rich in meaning. It teaches us about imperative sentences, commands or requests, prepositions, in this case, to, and noun phrases, the birds. Moreover, it's an opportunity to discuss contextual understanding and figurative language, essential skills in mastering not just English, but any language. We hope this exploration of Listen to the Birds has opened your ears and hearts to the beauty of English and the world around us. Remember, language learning is not just about memorizing rules and vocabulary. It's also about connecting with the meanings and emotions words can convey. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you'll take a moment to listen to the birds whenever you can. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.